NPP leader and cabinet minister Marcuise and has strongly criticized the Assam government's decision to ban beef consumption in public places. He called the move a violation of citizens' fundamental rights and freedom of choice. Marak emphasized that food habits are personal and should not be restricted by government mandates. He added that such bans undermine the democratic values of personal freedom. His remarks reflect growing opposition to similar measures in neighboring states. Marak stands firm in his belief that people should be free to choose their food.
So therefore, I don't accept the kind of ban that any government is putting on somebody in any states, I would say. So we have every right to have any kind of a food habit. Like example, we tribals, we eat so many things. So if you put restriction on our food habit, that is not a good thing. So our right to freedom of speech is also there, right to economic activities are there. Our fundamental rights, in fact, fundamental rights are being deprived by putting on